this video I will show you how to roll a t-shirt for traveling, to keep it in your backpack or in your luggage suitcase to save space and minimize wrinkles also. When you roll the t-shirt, you can make it so it's really nice and arranged. It's not going to be 100% proof, but still very good. And this is how you roll the t-shirt. Let's check it. You begin by laying the t-shirt flat on your bed or on any flat surface, and you make a small pocket on the lower side of the t-shirt like this. And the bigger this pocket, the thicker you can make the roll. I will explain in a minute why I mean this. Here I made it a bit bigger because I wanted to make a not such a long roll, a tighter fit. Then you bring both sides folding inside into the collar, closer to the collar like this, left and right, and you see the bottom's pocket is still there. You can fold the sleeves inside a little bit, it's not really a big deal. You can keep it nicely and neat here, arranged so it doesn't get wrinkly. Now you can leave it as it is and roll it, but you can also make another fold. That's why I made it a bit thicker there. And with this extra fold, it makes the t-shirt roll very compact, and really now you just roll it tight as you can so that it saves space. And the pocket is there, but you don't use it at this point. You roll over it and you bring the pocket from the below side, from the other side. And this is really how you make the t-shirt roll. This is called a marine roll, ranger roll, army roll. It could be any in many places you can use this roll. It's a really great backpacking trick. So you can have t-shirts in your backpack to save space, and you can have different lengths depending on how many times you fold the t-shirt, and it's up to you how you do that. Like they could be tighter or a looser fit, depending if you want to save more space and you want to make sure there are no wrinkles also on the t-shirt. That's great, it's working. Thanks for watching, and I hope you know now how to roll the t-shirt when you need to. You don't have to do it every time, but sometimes it's nice to have the t-shirt nicely, neatly arranged in your suitcase to save space. You can also use a vacuum sealing bag to save even more space. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. Oh, my hand. Any eye boogers? Okay. So let's see. Then this is how starting to sweat here.